Ready to turn your iPads into powerful reputation-building machines that attract more customers? Let's dive into using your iPads to supercharge your Google reviews. First, create a direct link to your Google review page. Google provides this. Simply search Google Review Link Generator and follow the instructions to get your unique URL. Now, copy that link and save it somewhere easily accessible on your iPads, and note, a shortcut on the home screen or even a dedicated app works wonders. Next, create a user-friendly shortcut icon on your iPad's home screen, making it incredibly easy for customers to tap and leave a review immediately after their experience. Consider using Google Forms as an intermediary step. Design a short, branded form with a question like "How was your experience?" and a link to your Google review page at the end. This pre-qualifies happy customers. Automate the process. Set up a triggered email or SMS to be sent to customers after their purchase or service, including that direct Google review link for maximum engagement. Train your staff to politely encourage satisfied customers to leave a review right then and there on the iPad. A genuine smile and a simple reminder can make all the difference. And finally, monitor your Google reviews regularly using the Google My Business app on your iPad, responding to both positive and negative feedback promptly to show you value your customers' opinions. Start turning those happy customers into online advocates today.